Y'all, and welcome to my laundry room, my messy laundry room. It's a hot mess up in here, but today's video is going to be a laundry motivation video. I'm also going to be straightening up the laundry room while I'm doing laundry and things like that. But I've got quite a bit of laundry to do because I've got to do our bed covers, our sheets need to be cleaned, and our duvet. Plus, we were on vacation last week to go to my sister-in-law's wedding, which was so fun and it was so beautiful. And I've got all that like laundry from vacation that needs to be done. We stayed in a hotel, not a condo, so there wasn't like a laundry in our room or nothing. So we just brought all our dirty laundry back. So I'm gonna be doing all that today. I've got quite a bit of laundry piled up. So today's video is in collaboration with Marie over at Queen Mama Bear TV. Y'all, I will tell you just a little bit more about her a little bit later, but first, let's get started sorting all this laundry out. This is my sweet friend, Bethany Marie. I do not have enough words to describe her. I absolutely love watching her videos. She is nothing short of a superwoman. Y'all, she has 7 children. 7. And she does such a good job with keeping up with everything. I love to watch her clean her home, make meals, and plate them up for her family. She has some of the best meal ideas. They always look so yummy, and I love to watch her pantry and fridge organization videos. They are so fun. I think she has the best ones I've seen. I really, really enjoy watching those. Also, she is so encouraging and is always encouraging others to be the best that they can be, and I just love her sweet attitude. Y'all make sure that you go over to her channel. It will be linked down in my description box below. Watch her video, subscribe to her channel, and show her some love. You will not be disappointed. Y'all, after sorting and washing, we finally have our first load of laundry dry and ready to fold. I put on some really peppy music throughout this whole video to try to keep us motivated and going. So go grab your basket of laundry and fold clothes with me. If these clothes look suspiciously folded, it's because they are. They came out of my suitcase. I decided while I was waiting on another load to get ready to fold, I would just go ahead and get the clothes out of my suitcase and get those hung up also. If you are coming over here from Bethany's channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by and take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Rachel. I'm a 48-year-old mother and grandmother. We have 4 grown children and 4 grandchildren. I am from Arkansas, and over here on my channel, you'll find all things homemaking. Also, I do camping vlogs when we go camping. I love fashion, so I'll do some Shein hauls here and there. And I love to Goodwill. I'm the Goodwill queen, so you will see me sharing a lot of my Goodwill finds. So if that sounds like something that you might like, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll know when all my new videos are coming out. And thank you again for stopping by. Hey y'all, it's day 2 of me finishing up my laundry. I did not have time to get it all done the other day, so you know, what do? You just keep moving. So let's get this laundry done today. I really want to get it knocked out, get my laundry room wiped down and straighten up, and like move on to something different, because I am not a huge laundry fan. Y'all know this if y'all been around here any time at all. Like, you know, I don't really care for laundry. But anyway, all right, let's get started. Day 2.
Every time I close my eyes, I see your smile in the morning light. And girl, every time I hear that song that we used to call our own, it all comes back again. I don't understand it, somehow I didn't see. It took me far too long to realize that I take your love for granted. Possibility. Now all that I have left are memories. Won't you come back again? Baby, we could try again. We could try again. Come back again. I don't wanna play no games. Maybe you should come back. We could try again. Realized we were in paradise, and now every time I fall asleep, I dream of what we used to be. I don't understand it, somehow I didn't see. It took me far too long to realize that I take your love for granted. It's a possibility. All that I have left on memory.
finally seeing light at the end of this laundry tunnel that I have going on here today. Let me know in the comments down below if you're doing laundry with me today. And if you find this video motivational, do you like the music? Let me know all the things.
Running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. When I got close, my heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street, the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music on repeat all through the night. And when the music started to fade out, the first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end.
Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. I got so much accomplished. I got so much laundry done. It's crazy. I have like one more load to go, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And I just want to say again, thank you, Marie, over at Queen Mama Bear TV for collabing with me today. Y'all, she's a superwoman. Make sure that you go over to her channel. It's in my description box down below. Make sure you go over there, watch her videos, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, all the things, you know, show her some love. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.